made it. I'm fine. Let's go ahead and get started with a look at the forecast. Plenty of sunshine out there. 70 degrees is where we're at. Humidity down to about 39%, and those northerly winds only about 7 miles per hour. In the fire zone, we have better humidity and lighter winds. Perfect situation for crews battling the Doghead fire this morning. Temperatures across the state, we've got 60s out over the Texas to Mexico state line, 59 Ruidoso, 60s and 70s as you get into the Four Corners area. So as far as the morning numbers go, we're comfortable, but this is about as comfy as it'll be today as we look to see temperatures climb back into the 90s here in the metro, likely to top out near 97 underneath that sunny sky. And you can see it is going to be a quick warm up, but as far as the numbers go across the state, once again, Four Corners area favored for the hottest temperatures today. Farmington at 100, 96 in Gallup. Now, yesterday, we broke records in Farmington, Gallup, Bloomfield, Aztec, a lot of us reaching those triple digits. Even Gallup set an all-time record high at 101 yesterday afternoon. The heat will be statewide, and we will be near records once again across the northwest. But as far as the rain chances go, those actually look a little bit better today compared to yesterday. They won't be widespread, but we'll be watching for a few of these spotty showers over the northern mountains, northwest and west central areas. Very similar to what we had yesterday, except I expect a little bit more in the way of coverage. Tomorrow, this starts to shift a little bit further into central and eastern areas thanks to the help of a cold front. So today will all be across the northwest. Tomorrow, central and east. With the help of that front, we will get some East Canyon winds here in the metro late tomorrow as that front passes. But by the time we get Thursday, some spotty storms left over to the north, but we're still looking at sizzling heat out across the southern portions of our state. Southeastern plains getting back to the triple digits as early as tomorrow. Will there be more rain on the way? Well, looking at some of our longer term models, they're going with above average precipitation across the entire desert southwest. Optimistic about our rain chances as we get into 7 to 14 days out, but it's still going to be warm. They're expecting above average temperatures. I agree. I do think it is going to be a hot June and start to July. But until then, we just got to make sure we're staying safe in the heat. Lots of water, lots of sunscreen, and please take some breaks, especially in the later part of the afternoon. Southern Colorado, take a look at those numbers. 91 in Durango today. Cortez at 94 underneath that sunny sky. We'll continue with the 90s through Thursday. A few spot mountain storms possible over the San Juans. I am going to include the northwest in those spotty storms as well. But notice the temperatures, upper 90s to low triple digits across your area today. Southwest. Mostly to partly sunny, isolated storms a possibility over the Gila. These will be very few and far between. We'll get you into the southeast where we have more than 90s on the map. Sacramento's in the 70s and 80s. Carrizozo a little bit warmer at 92. Northeastern plains, isolated storms over the higher terrain. Everybody else looking at 90s with a good amount of sunshine overhead. Northern mountains, some spotty to scattered afternoon showers and storms. I do not expect these storms to be severe, but temperatures hot, 90s in Santa Fe today. East mountains, more of those upper 80s to low 90s underneath the sunny sky, and isolated storm can't be ruled out. We'll flip over the mountains, bring it into the metro where we have temperatures well into the 90s underneath that sunny sky, and this is going to be the case for the next couple of days. Isolated storms squeezing back into the forecast beginning tomorrow. Again, these will be same kind of thing, hit and miss over the next several days. Coverage on the smaller side. I don't expect these to be widespread, but we'll take it. Even an isolated storm is a storm.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know of any updates on Twitter and Facebook. Until then, it's the heat we're going to be talking about.
If we could just squeeze out a few extra drops from some of those isolated storms in there, would be nice.
Exactly, right? Especially over the northwest. You guys need it because it was hot yesterday.